Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically edit like view only Google Sheets on Google Docs. Well, on Google Sheets, sorry, what am I saying? Anyways, there's a view only button here. You can either select it and request edit access to the person who owns the Google Sheet, but if it's not approved, you're just going to go to file, make a copy, then you're going to type in the name of the document and then make a copy. It's going to open up a new tab. And then on this one, you can now edit the Google Sheet without it changing the original Google Sheet. So either request the permission for it or make a copy of the sheet. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.